you like that little intro. I'm going to show you how you can tie gauze around your face in like a medieval kind of way. It'll cover your head and your face, and if you tie it right, you can remove it and place it back over your face over and over, and it'll stay real tight just how you tied it. So we got some gauze here. As you can see, it's actually pretty thin material. You can get this at a fabric store. Just have them cut a yard long. It's about 10 bucks. As you can see, we also have white here. Gray seems to be another common color you can get at the fabric store if you want red, green, blue, anything else. You're probably gonna have to get it special ordered. So first, you want to make a triangle. You want to make sure it's at least like this long, and my arm's length looks about 5 feet tall. 5 feet tall, point to point in a triangle. This bottom does not have to line up in a point. You take this, you get your triangle. Behind your head, see the 2 points? You want to off-center it, maybe about right there. You want to have just enough with this short end that you can pull it up and around right here. See? Under the chin. It's sort of like tying, if you're familiar with anything like, I don't know, Arab culture, keffiyehs, shemaghs, you know, same thing. Tuck that corner in there. Try and tuck this one in too. Alright? Nice and tight. First step, wrap it around, tuck it in, tuck it in. Hold this tight right here. Tighter the better. Take this edge here, bring it around like this. Now this part, as high or as low as you go, is going to control where this lays. So if it's up too high over your eyes, you pull it down a little bit. Right? Pull these two opposing very tight. Go around your face like this. This side here comes through where you have your short end. Right? Make a knot right there. See? Pull it tight. If you have a mirror when you're out, great. I can see the line here. It's crooked, so I'm sort of just eyeing it without looking in the camera. That feels good right there. You can adjust this too, right? There you go. It looks great with like a hat on top. Really cool look. Haha, nice. Now, what I was saying, that you can take this part, you can pull it down. Hey, how's it going, guys? Put it back up. Down, so you can eat. Put it back up. And it'll stay. So you have a nice solid knot right here. Hey, I think this is an awesome look. What do you think? If you do, give a like. Share this video if you think someone else might like to wear this gauze kind of fashion right here. Remember to subscribe for more ballroom dancing and armored combat content here on this channel, and the occasional how-to videos, stuff like this, or how to make an armor stand. You know, things that'll help you out in your medieval world. Actually, let's check out that little intro video I had one more time on a close-up so you can see how I did it on the go. Do this a couple times, you'll have it down. You don't even need a mirror, you just get out of your car or whatever you're doing, throw it on, you're set to go.